This brand was started by my great-grandfather at the year of 1905 and it continued the business up till 1994. We wanted to restart the brand and stiff competition and thinner margins were making us more deliberate to get into the business again. The challenge with startups is that you may never know where the problem is, but when you find a problem, you find a solution. Somehow we got into Amazon. We are with Amazon for the last 6 years and the journey has been pleasant. As a seller, we have evolved in many ways. We have built about 130 successful SKUs. Amazon Global Propel Accelerator is a great chance for entrepreneurs like us to take the brand global. With the global selling Propel, we want to learn the problems of individual geographies and we want to fulfill them. It is a great chance for us to learn the basics of the business and global selling from the key leaders of Amazon. Make local, go global is the motto that we follow.